You've been filling your dog's food bowl the same way for years, but what if that daily routine is silently ruining their health? Stick around as we reveal 15 surprising feeding mistakes that could be sabotaging your dog's digestion, energy, and even their lifespan. Mistake 1. Feeding only dry kibble without any fresh water. One of the most common mistakes is forgetting to provide enough fresh water alongside dry kibble. Dogs eating dry kibble without access to water can become dehydrated, which leads to kidney issues, urinary tract infections, and digestive problems. Dehydration often goes unnoticed until it becomes a severe health concern, which can be preventable with simple changes in feeding habits. Always ensure that your dog has access to fresh, clean water at all times. If your dog is eating only dry kibble, consider adding water to their food or providing wet food occasionally to boost hydration. Check their water bowl regularly to ensure they are drinking enough. Mistake 2. Feeding only once a day. We've all been there. You wake up, scoop the food, and fill the bowl. But here's the thing. Feeding your dog just once a day can cause more harm than good. Dogs have a different digestive system than humans, and they are not built to handle one large meal in a day. When dogs eat all their food at once, their stomach has to work overtime to process everything. This can lead to bloating, indigestion, and even discomfort. Also, when your dog's stomach empties, it causes acid buildup, which can lead to digestive issues like acid reflux or gastritis. By feeding your dog only once a day, you're also missing out on the benefits of consistent energy levels. When meals are spaced out, their metabolism remains steady, and they can maintain a more consistent energy level throughout the day. Splitting their meals into 2 portions, one in the morning and one in the evening, helps to keep digestion smooth and energy balanced. This simple change can make a world of difference in your dog's overall health and well-being. Mistake 3. Always using the same food bowl. It's the classic pet owner routine. Fill the food bowl, let your dog eat, and move on with your day. But have you ever thought about how feeding your dog from the same bowl every time could be limiting their mental and physical stimulation? Dogs, in their natural habitat, would work for their food. They'd hunt, forage, and use their brains to find and catch their meals. By feeding them from the same bowl every day, you miss an opportunity to give them the mental exercise they need to stay sharp and calm. Without this kind of stimulation, many dogs become bored or anxious, often manifesting as chewing furniture, barking excessively, or other signs of behavioral issues. Mental stimulation is vital for a dog's well-being, and mealtime is the perfect opportunity for enrichment. So, instead of the same old bowl, try using puzzle toys or snuffle mats. These will encourage your dog to work for their food, engaging both their mind and body. Dogs love these challenges. Not only will it keep them active, but it will also make mealtime exciting again. It's a small change that will have big rewards in reducing stress and improving their overall happiness. Mistake 4. Overfeeding or not measuring properly. Who doesn't love giving their dog a little extra? But here's the reality. Overfeeding your dog is a serious problem that can lead to health issues like obesity, joint pain, heart disease, and even diabetes. Many pet owners fall into the trap of not measuring food properly or giving their dog too many treats. And while it may seem harmless to give your dog a handful of treats throughout the day, these extras can add up, leading to excess calories and unwanted weight gain. Obesity isn't just about looks. It severely impacts your dog's quality of life, causing pain, fatigue, and increased risk of developing chronic health problems. Start measuring your dog's food based on their size, age, and activity level. Check the feeding guidelines on the dog food package and adjust based on your dog's needs. Also, consider treats as part of their daily intake and make sure to subtract the calories from their regular meals. Trust me, your dog will feel better with those extra pounds off. Mistake 5. Feeding before walks. Feeding your dog before a walk might seem innocent enough, but this is a big mistake many owners make. Scientifically, when dogs eat, their body directs blood flow to their stomach to aid in digestion. However, if they start exercising or running right after eating, blood flow is diverted to their muscles, disrupting digestion and causing discomfort. This interruption can lead to a dangerous condition known as gastric dilation volvulus, or canine bloat. This happens when a dog's stomach fills with gas and twists, a potentially life-threatening situation that often requires emergency treatment or even surgery. Large, deep-chested breeds are more prone to this condition, but it can happen to any dog, especially if they eat too quickly or exercise immediately after a meal. Solution is simple. Make sure to wait at least 30 minutes to an hour after a walk before feeding your dog. This allows their body to complete the digestive process without interruption. Taking this extra step could save your dog's life. Mistake 6. Not paying attention to dog food. Ingredients. When choosing food for your dog, it's important to look beyond the brand and price tag. Many mass-produced kibble brands contain low-quality ingredients, like meat byproducts or meals made from unspecified meats. These ingredients often include leftover animal parts that offer little nutritional value and can lead to allergies or digestive issues. Moreover, foods with excessive fillers like corn, wheat, and soy contribute to weight gain and offer little to no nutritional benefit. To ensure your dog gets the best nutrition, look for dog food with high-quality protein sources like chicken, beef, or turkey, listed as the first ingredient. Avoid food with byproducts and excessive carbohydrates, which can cause weight gain and digestive issues. Ideally, your dog's food should also include healthy fats and small amounts of fruits and vegetables, such as carrots and sweet potatoes, to provide essential vitamins and minerals. Always remember, better ingredients equal better health for your dog. Mistake 7. Not adjusting food based on your dog's age. As dogs age, their nutritional needs change. But many pet owners continue feeding their dogs the same food throughout their lives, without adjusting for their age or stage of life. Puppies have growing bodies and need a higher intake of protein, fat, and essential nutrients to support rapid growth. Conversely, senior dogs have slower metabolisms and require food that is lower in calories and easier to digest. Feeding an adult dog puppy food or feeding senior food to a young dog can create imbalances in their diet. The solution is simple. Adjust your dog's food according to their age. For puppies, choose a formula designed for growth, rich in protein and fat. For senior dogs, opt for food that is lower in calories and contains easier to digest ingredients. By tailoring their food to their specific age and needs, you'll help your dog maintain a healthy weight and thrive as they get older. Mistake 8. Not considering homemade meals. While kibble is the go-to option for many dog owners, it's not the only choice. Increasingly, pet owners are turning to homemade meals for their dogs to ensure they're getting fresh, high-quality ingredients without the preservatives and fillers often found in commercial pet food. Dogs fed homemade meals tend to have shinier coats, better digestion, and fewer allergies. Studies have shown that feeding your dog fresh, whole foods can improve their energy levels, skin health, and overall happiness. If you're considering homemade meals, ensure you're providing a balanced diet. Your dog needs protein from lean meats like chicken or fish, complex carbs like sweet potatoes or rice, and healthy fats like olive oil. You can also add small amounts of fruits and veggies like carrots or blueberries to ensure they're getting the necessary vitamins and minerals. Mistake 9. Feeding too quickly. Does your dog eat their meals in seconds? Many dogs scarf down their food so quickly that they barely even chew. And this can cause several issues. When dogs eat too fast, they tend to swallow large amounts of air, which leads to bloating and discomfort. In extreme cases, eating too quickly can even cause a life-threatening condition called bloat or GDV. In addition to these risks, dogs that eat too fast don't give their stomachs time to signal their brains that they're full, which can lead to overeating. To help your dog eat slower, use slow feeder bowls or puzzle toys. These are designed to make your dog work for their food, which not only slows down the process, but also engages their brain. You can also spread their food out on a flat surface, or use a muffin tin with tennis balls covering the sections, which forces them to take their time. Slower eating not only reduces the risk of bloating, but it also helps with digestion and ensures your dog feels full and satisfied after their meal. Mistake 10. Feeding your dog directly before bedtime. Feeding your dog right before bedtime can lead to a few potential problems. When a dog eats too late at night, their digestive system has to work while they're resting, which can lead to discomfort, bloating, or difficulty sleeping. Moreover, having food in their stomach late at night increases the chances of them needing to use the bathroom in the middle of the night, disrupting both your dog's and your own sleep. Aim to feed your dog at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime to give their digestive system time to work. This allows your dog to have a comfortable night's rest without the risk of bloating, indigestion, or needing to go out during the night. Mistake 12. Giving table scraps. It's tempting, right? You're sitting down to enjoy your meal, and your dog gives you those big puppy eyes. You can't resist, so you toss them a bite of your food. But what you might not realize is that giving your dog table scraps can lead to serious health issues. Many human foods are not safe for dogs and can be toxic, like chocolate, grapes, onions, and garlic. Even harmless foods like fatty meat or cheese can upset their digestive system and lead to weight gain. Stick to treats that are specifically made for dogs, and make sure to only feed them dog-friendly foods. If you want to share something with your dog, choose safe options like carrots, green beans, or small pieces of apple. Mistake 13. Feeding too much wet food for hydration. While wet food can be a great addition to your dog's diet and helps with hydration, many owners rely too heavily on it to keep their dog hydrated. Wet food alone may not provide enough water, and in some cases, it can lead to overfeeding, as wet food tends to be higher in calories and fat than dry kibble. In addition, it can lead to dental issues if not balanced with dry kibble or other methods of cleaning your dog's teeth. Wet food should be used as a supplement, not a complete replacement for dry kibble. Always ensure that your dog has access to fresh water and monitor their weight to prevent overfeeding. A healthy balance of both wet and dry food can improve hydration while promoting dental health. Mistake 14. Not giving enough chew time. Dogs love to chew. It's a natural behavior that helps keep their teeth clean and their minds engaged. But many owners don't realize that they're not providing enough opportunities for their dogs to chew. When dogs don't have appropriate outlets for chewing, they can start chewing on furniture, shoes, or other household items, leading to frustration and possibly even injury. This lack of proper chewing also prevents them from benefiting from the dental and mental stimulation that chewing provides. Provide your dog with safe, durable chew toys that are designed for their size and chewing strength. Chewing helps keep their teeth clean, reduces anxiety, and provides a positive outlet for their energy. Rotate different types of toys to keep things fresh and engaging, and make sure to supervise your dog while they chew to ensure they're using the toys safely. Chew time should be a part of your dog's daily routine to help prevent destructive behaviors. Mistake 15. Not recognizing food allergies or sensitivities. Many dog owners don't realize that their dog could have food allergies or sensitivities that affect their health. Common signs of a food allergy include itching, ear infections, excessive gas, or even vomiting. Unfortunately, these issues often go unnoticed or are brushed off as normal dog behavior. Keep an eye on your dog's behavior and physical condition. If you notice any signs of food allergies or digestive issues, consult your vet. An elimination diet or a food trial can help determine which ingredients may be causing the problem. Choosing high-quality, hypoallergenic dog food can also help alleviate food sensitivities and improve your dog's health.